The BioFit weight loss supplements. Lose weight fast, without giving up any of your favorite foods. Obesity, one of the most dreaded words today. Well, it is not just you and I alone who are disturbed by this problem, but millions and millions of people all over the world have been facing weight management issues, not knowing clearly, or finding a solution. There are umpteen websites that claim to have found the most ideal medicine or system to reduce weight, but I'm sure many of you will agree with me that almost none of them have been successful in a natural weight loss program. In such a scenario, what to do further, and how to get the best dietary and exercise plans to shed the extra weight off our body. With the raging pandemic, most of us have been forced to stay indoors, work from home, give up sports, and not be able to go out much. Obviously, the outcome is an unhealthy weight gain. To combat the weight gain problem, we review the product BioFit here. BioFit has been tested and found to be a successfully simple solution, a natural weight loss supplement. A product by Chrissy Miller, the formula is said to be without any side effects, highly affordable, and very effective too. What is BioFit? BioFit weight loss supplement. BioFit is a fully researched and experimented probiotic supplement to help you in your weight loss journey. Each bottle contains 30 tablets, and one tablet has to be consumed every day to achieve your weight loss goal. It speeds up the breakdown of food, and various chemicals are produced to act as a catalyst to convert the fat into effective use. You need to take the tablet for at least 6 months to get good results and to regain your shape and self-confidence. The formula helps provide benefits such as good digestion and support for the body's immune function. It easily helps in shedding 70 pounds or even more without switching to any strict diet programs or changing your exercise regime. It makes use of the bacteria in the stomach to burn stubborn fat fully. It is said to cure problems like bloating, digestion issues, and other stomach issues. Ultimately, you lose weight without diet or exercise, and your immune function improves. The best part is that you need not avoid the foods that you like most when you use BioFit. How it functions. BioFit contains 7 strains of probiotic bacteria that come with a punch of 5.75 billion colony-forming units per capsule. It contains a Delaware 111 strain that has plenty of approved health benefits. It has been proved that most of us do not have perfect probiotic bacteria. A poor diet, or toxins in the atmosphere, or antibiotic drugs can kill the good bacteria in your digestive system and can lead to lots of health problems. BioFit is a probiotic supplement that claims to burn the body weight with the help of probiotic ingredients such as Delaware 111, which is the main miracle microbe. This can enhance digestion, and fat is burnt quickly due to its ability to produce a fatty acid called butyrate. This fatty acid in turn activates a fat-burning gene known as AMPK and does not allow fat to get stored. The following mechanisms are used to burn fat. Digestive regularity is maintained in order to achieve weight loss and overall health. The improved digestive function helps in optimizing digestion in many ways and speeds up the expelling of waste quickly. Relief in bloated and abdominal discomfort which otherwise hampers your exercise regime. You will find it easy to hit the gym without feeling uncomfortable. Following a healthy diet is induced by BioFit as your craving for food gets reduced, and you can manage your appetite. You simply do not have the urge to eat much. Overeating is thus avoided naturally. The science behind BioFit. The ingredients of BioFit include 2 groups of active ingredients that include the probiotic matrix and MCT. Probiotic matrix. There is a 7-strain probiotic matrix in BioFit. They work by different methods to help in weight reduction and digestion. Your immunity, gut health, and weight loss can be achieved when you take BioFit regularly. There are 5.75 billion CFUs in the 7 strains in the formula. Medium-chain triglycerides. These MCTs assist in making the effects of the probiotics in the formula. They make digestion easy and ensure that maximum probiotics reach your digestive system. These 2 ingredients form a very effective dose of probiotics to your stomach, save the ingredients when they pass through the stomach acid, and ensure that maximum CFUs reach your gut. The probiotic strains the formula contains are Bacillus subtilis, also called DE111, is directly linked to weight loss. Lactobacillus rhamnosus supports the digestive system in multiple methods, and these are found in yogurts. Lactobacillus casei has a higher acidity and temperature range to survive in the stomach to help in the digestive process. Lactobacillus plantarum, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium breve, and Bifidobacterium longum are some of the other strains present in the formula. The product comes with 2 bonus ebooks. The Truth About Dieting. Lose weight eating all your favorite foods teaches you how you can eat all your favorite foods and yet lose weight. Favorite recipes. Delicious recipes that quickly burn fat helps you cook fat-burning desserts, beverages, and other foods. Pros. Better digestion. Assured weight reduction. Protection from digestive issues. Immunity boost. Anxiety relief. Sleep regulation. Appetite improvement. Affordable pricing. No strict dieting or exercise regime. No side effects as the product is fully natural. Money back guarantee. Premium quality. Tried and tested product. No resultant addictions. Cons. Not suitable for people below 18 years. Side effects may occur if the correct dosage of the tablets is not followed. It cannot be used for experiments. It is not advisable if you have any medical conditions. Better to go with a doctor's advice. Not advisable for pregnant and lactating mothers. Final verdict. BioFit has been tested and tried on many people and found to be very effective in achieving weight results as desired. This formula, when tried with a slightly altered diet and regular exercise, can be a miracle in alleviating your anxiety about unwanted weight. It's really all about popping a single pill. Weight loss cannot get easier than that. Regular use of the product will surely help you achieve your goals and lead a happy life. I rate the product 4.5 stars. It has been proved that BioFit supplement has a different approach to weight loss, by not only helping in the ultimate goal but also in strengthening the digestive system and curing the root cause of obesity. All the ingredients are natural and safe and found in our bodies. The formula helps in tuning the gut and making it work more efficiently. With no side effects reported from those who used it and found it to be effective, and with a money-back guarantee, is there any reason for you to wait and suffer? Start using BioFit and see the dramatic changes in your body. Of course, I personally advise you to consult a doctor before taking any supplements.